Here it is, DJI's first ever Osmo 360 camera with next level specs, stabilization, and creative freedom. Let's unbox and see what makes it stand out in the 8K era of 2025. In the box, the Osmo 360 body, battery, USB-C, charging cable, magnetic mounting accessories, the lens protective pouch, and the stick. Feels lightweight but solid at just 183 grams. The camera packs dual 1.1 HDR sensor with f1.9 aperture, industry first square imaging that maximizes sensor area plus 25%. It also features a 2.0-inch of 800 nit touchscreen display, gesture voice control, and IP68 water resistance up to 10 meters. Here's why it's a beast. 360 video up to 8K of 50 frames, 6K at 60 frames, and 4K at 100 frames. In a single lens mode or wide-angle selfie, you get 5K at 60 frames or 4K at 120 frames with up to 170 degrees field of view. Still image resolution, 120 megapixel panoramic. Stabilization, DJI's Horizon Steady plus Rock Steady 3.0. Battery life, 100 minutes at 8K 30 frames with 50% charge in just 12 minutes. Extendable up to 190 minutes in 6K mode with a battery extension rod. Internal storage, 105 to 128 GB built-in plus micro SD up to 1 TB. Connectivity, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.0, Osmo Audio Team support for DJI mic without a receiver. In testing, the stabilization and dynamic range, 13.5 stops, are insanely smooth even in the low light. Switching from front to rear lens while recording works without pause. Perfect for vlogging, and at 183 grams, it's incredibly portable for extended shots. That was DJI's Osmo 360 unboxed and ready for action. Stick around for my real-world adventure test coming soon. If you're after immersive visuals, cinematic stabilization, and creative freedom, this could be your new favorite camera. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. See you in the next video.
If you like our background music, check the audio. These platforms offer tons of background music and sound effects, perfect for your video if you are content creator or filmmakers. Check the audio. They have these two cool AI, the Link Match and the Hands AI. Easy to use, and you will get the best music that's perfect for your content. If you want to avail the 70% off, please check the link on the description on this video and use my promo code to avail the 70% off on Audio Pro for 1 year. And if you are searching for a film emulation, check this Dehancer. They have a film emulation set that brings your photo and video film look and nostalgic effects.